Meaning of homegrown.
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 Homegrown. The term homegrown refers to something that has been produced or developed locally, rather than being imported or outsourced from another place. This can apply to various things, such as food, products, or ideas. Homegrown items often have a unique quality or connection to the local community, and may be seen as more authentic or genuine compared to mass-produced items. Additionally, supporting homegrown products can contribute to the local economy and promote sustainability. In summary, homegrown typically refers to something that is locally produced or developed, and is often valued for its authenticity and connection to the community.